Hello guys, welcome again to my channel Beings Life and Prayer. Today I would like to share with you some words from Meghan Markle. It says here, taking time for self-love and self-care can be a challenge. As much as we want to devote time to ourselves, all of the other obligations in our lives, from cooking and cleaning to caring for our families and working, leave a little time for any pampering. But taking even a few minutes out of your day for self-love and reflection can be beneficial. Sometimes we need a reminder. As Meghan Markle once wrote, you need to know that you're enough. You are complete with or without a partner. You are enough just as you are. Instead of allowing the world to dictate how we feel about ourselves, focusing on self-care, positive encouragement, and self-love can help increase our self-esteem and self-confidence. So what does self-care mean exactly? It can be different things to different people. For you, it could be surrounding yourself with anti-anxiety remedies like lavender and practicing mindfulness. Perhaps it's making sure you have time every day to exercise, or time to devote your mind, your soul, your heart to God Almighty who created us. And obviously, also a healthy eating will make you feel better. But it can also be as simple as focusing on words of wisdom for a few minutes. It's on topics like mental health, nature, and gratitude. And also, it is good to talk to God every day, even in 30 minutes or half sacred hour talking with God inside our soul, inside our mind, and inside our heart. So talking to Him can make us feel better. So thank you so much for listening my voiceover about life. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.